Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I'm teacher Zainab. I am teaching in Divisional Public School and Inter College Sahiwal. Today I am here with Social Studies lesson for class 5. By the end of this lesson, students, you all will be able to understand the concept of map, describe the major types of map, and analyze the features of major types of maps. In this lesson, students, we will discuss the concept of the map and the major types of map, and finally we will have the assessment content for the taught lesson for today's, and finally we will move towards a homework. Dear students, look at this. What is this? Yes, this is map of Pakistan. Do you know in which continent is Pakistan situated? Yes, Pakistan is situated in continent Asia. What sea lies to the south of Pakistan? Yes, Arabian Sea is located in the south of Pakistan. With which countries does Pakistan share its border? Pakistan shares its border with these neighboring countries. India is located in the east of Pakistan. Iran and Afghanistan are situated in the west of Pakistan, and China is located in the north of Pakistan. What is a map? A map is a plan drawing of a part or whole of the earth on a piece of paper. In fact, a map is an image of the surface of the earth that helps to locate a particular place on it. Dear student, मैप जो है वो एक प्लान ड्राइंग होती है अर्थ के पार्ट या मुकम्मल अर्थ और मैप जो है वो हमारी हेल्प करता है कि हम अर्थ में किसी भी एरिया को, कंट्री को, कॉन्टिनेंट को, स्टेट को हम जो है वो मैप की मदद से फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. देयर आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मैप, and different types of maps are drawn and used for different purposes. For example, if we want to travel in any country, we need such kind of map which portray big cities, roads, and major highways, etc. And if we draw a map of any village, we must have to show here like houses, streets, fields, masjids, etc. appropriately. How many types of maps are there? There are three major types of map. The first is distribution map, the second is political map, and the third is physical map. Let's discuss all these maps in detail. First of all, distribution map. What is distribution map? Distribution map represent information for a specific subject showing what the subject is, where it is, and how often it occurs. These maps can portray social, cultural, economical, agricultural, or any other aspect of a city, state, region, nation or continent. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मैप जो है वो हमें किसी भी सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो है वो इंफॉर्मेशन देता है और ये इंफॉर्मेशन किसी भी कंट्री, कॉन्टिनेंट, स्टेट या एरिया के सोशल, कल्चरल, इकोनॉमिकल और एग्रीकल्चर एस्पेक्ट्स के बारे में हमें जो है वो बताती है. And the distribution map examples. First of all, if we draw a if we draw the map having the energy sources in Pakistan, that will be the kind of distribution map. And if we want to draw a map showing the main crops, including cash crops or food crops of Pakistan, that will be the distribution map of Pakistan. If we want to show the famous industries of Pakistan, that map is called distribution map. And we want to show the uh, population ratio living in the major cities of Pakistan, that kind of map will be called the distribution map. If we want to highlight the major languages spoken in Punjab, and that map will be called a distribution map of Pakistan. Likewise, if we want to show the forest or vegetation in Pakistan, that type of map will be the kind of distribution map of Pakistan. And the second is political map. A political map represents the political features of the given area, and these features can include things like countries, cities, states, towns, provinces, major highways, and water structure, etc. This is the political map of Pakistan. It shows here the four provinces, and the four provinces like Punjab, Sindh, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. There is also there is also shown the capital city of Pakistan, Islamabad. There is also we can see the major cities of Pakistan. There is also the boundaries of neighbor countries like India, Iran, Afghanistan, and China. There is also a Arabian Sea that is situated in the south of Pakistan. And the next is physical map. What is the physical map? The physical map represents the landmarks or physical features of any area or country. These maps gives information about the topography like mountains, deserts, plateaus, seas, rivers, forests, valleys, etc. um, the map which portray or shows about the mountains like in Pakistan there are many mountain ranges like Karakoram, Hindu Kush, etc. And all these aspects will cover the physical map areas. And likewise in Pakistan the deserts like the detail of deserts like Thar, and Rajasthan will be the kind of physical map. In the next the plateaus in Pakistan, there are two types of plateaus. One is called Potohar Plateau, and the second is called the Balochistan Plateaus. And other details like seas, rivers, forests, valleys, etc., will be included under the heading of physical map of Pakistan. Uh, Now we will move towards assessment activities. Here are some statements with the options, and each statements will be followed by the two options in the students. You will have to you will have to find out the correct option. First of all, it helps to locate a particular place on the earth. Options are map, equator. The correct option is map. To travel in a country, we need this map that shows major cities and the main. Which thing will be the which thing will be the right answer for this statement? And the right answer is roads. This map shows houses, streets, fields, masjid, etc. There are two options: village map and local map. And the answer is village map. The next statement is the map which shows the languages spoken in Punjab is an example of agriculture map or distribution map. The answer is distribution map because distribution map usually discuss the information about specific subjects, and here is the specific subject is culture, because language cover the aspect of culture. That's why this type of map will be the distribution map. The map which gives information about topography is called physical map or cultural map. The correct answer is physical map. The map which portrays major cities, provincial boundaries, capitals, and the neighboring countries, etc., is called. Options are universal map or political map. The answer is political map. And the next we will move towards a homework. Students, first of all, you will have to read out your lesson 1 geography very carefully, and here is some work for the writing purpose on your notebook. Here are two questions. The first question is define the term map, and the next question is name the major types of map. Here is activity. You will have to do this activity